What's up guys, we're here at South Mountain State Park. The main attraction here is gonna be High Shoals Falls, and after that I want to do Chestnut Knob, which is another point of interest. So a waterfall here and the Knob Trail, and that's our plan for today. Okay, so we are here at what did you forget the name? What's the name?
Jimmy Jones.
No, that's not Jimmy Jones. South Mountain State Park. Jimmy Jones. We're walking to the High Shoals Falls. It's about a mile from the parking lot. I wanted to do the loop, but the bridge seems to be closed, so we're just gonna go there and then try to go to Chestnut Knob, which is a 4-mile round trip. It's very nice out here. They have like an amphitheater over there and lots of picnic tables at the beginning, which was very nice. And there's no fees to get in for a state park. I was very surprised about that.
They have all these animals in here.
And all the animals that we would never see.
Yeah, look at this mushroom. You probably will never see this anywhere else.
Wow.
It's something rare.
So cute.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's little ones over there.
Look at this tiny orange little mushrooms.
Another type of mushrooms
This
here.
is different.
Yeah.
And they're so bright, I want to eat them.
No. Perfect mushroom.
Actually looks like this mascara or whatever. You know, the red poisonous. Somebody was trying to bite it.
Yeah.
They probably could not finish it anymore.
Looks like a bite.
Yeah.
0.7 miles to the waterfall. We have like the creek to our left side, which we're gonna explore later on. We can do the Big Bear waterfall, which is 0.2, but the main attraction is the High Shoals Falls.
Okay, let's do this because we almost
do this.
Here, yeah.
What are you doing? Can you please be careful?
I see it too. How do you rate this waterfall on the scale from 1 to 5?
It's awesome because nobody's here. And it's like our own private waterfall.
Yeah.
Beautiful rocks around.
It's very strong. He actually kills a lot of insects. It's remains of the lost civilization. It looks like a lost city.
So that's the part of the bridge that is closed, so unfortunately we cannot keep going. But we should be able to see the falls here. That was a lot of stairs. Oh my gosh.
Go!
That was so refreshing.
What do you think about that?
That was fun.
I was
so glad
thinking-
we did it.
Yeah, I was thinking, well, people screaming. Now I know why.
Now you know. Yeah, it's like a giant.
This is a giant mushroom.
That was High Shoals waterfall. There were kids jumping, but before the kids were jumping into the water, there was this guy that jumped, but kind of tripped and fell on his head. He went head first, and I guess he was bleeding and something with his nose and head. So be careful, know your limits. I wouldn't do that, but I guess the kids were fine, but you never know when you're gonna trip or something may go wrong. Anyways, now we're going to Chestnut Knob, which is gonna be 1,000 feet in elevation gain and 2.4 miles to get there. And after that is another knob, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that. So let's keep on going. So I guess this is the Jacob Fork River Gorge overlook. Okay. Here, I guess. I don't see anything.
I don't see anything.
Freaking fly. Alright, we are halfway there. I do hear some thunderstorms. Gosh. So hopefully by the time we get there it's not gonna be raining, or I mean at least lightning. That's what I'm concerned about. But hopefully we should be okay. We brought some ponchos just in case, and trying to find some shelter just in case the lightning were to strike here. But so far so good. Just going slow and steady. Already 800 feet in elevation, so we should be there in just a little bit.
How do you feel?
I'm tired.
Are we on the top?
No,
Do you know how far?
like 1/4 of the way there
Will you survive?
left. I have to, for the people. Look like peaches.
Georgia peaches.
These are cute. We have arrived to Chestnut Knob. It's 22 and 80 feet in elevation. Back there is the overlook. So let's go to the overlook. We have reached the top. It took us about an hour and 10 minutes or so. We're exhausted, having a snack, and there's like a lot of birds of prey here. It's kind of cool to watch them. And it looks like it's about to rain. It's just kind of cloudy. But this is a great view that we have. It's a great place to have a snack. Just not a lot of shade, so we're trying to... Whoa, right there. We tried to find a good place to eat, but there's no shade, and we kind of had enough of the sun today.
It wants to eat me. You know what? Go!
Oh, no, it's coming back. You can see suddenly it's starting to get really dark. Kind of foggy this way and kind of dark the other way. So I think we're gonna get going soon. Unfortunately, nobody's here. There was only one person that we saw that was coming down. We have this to ourselves and the big ants and the flies. But other than that, it's very peaceful here. It's a very cool spot.
But there is like a little trail here. Do you want to quickly check? I'm not like really want to because we don't have time, but we are here, so there's a trail.
Ooh! Oh gosh, we have to check.
Somewhere. Somebody built like a stairs.
Oh gosh, yes. Oh, it looks so nice. Hurry! The rain's gonna pour soon. Whoa!
This is what you wanted.
That's what I wanted. Whoa, look at that rock. Wow, this is it. So the rain is caught up with us. Now we're putting our poncho stone. It's about to get really bad, I think.
We are ready for anything and everything.
So we're sitting here under a tree trying to cover from the rain. But that's pretty much it. This was South Mountain State Park. No fees to get in, so it's very nice. You have water, you have mountain views, it has everything, and they keep the place very clean. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, bye. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future adventures. See ya!